It's the start for DINOS GIT down. I just pulled over at the mall. I made sure everything was all good on the truck, checked all the levels, everything's all good, so I'm ready to go. Gonna go get some food right now, but it is, what is it? Today's Wednesday, I think it's Wednesday, November 11th at 6:30. I got about a 6-hour drive down to Arizona, so gotta go fill this thing up, and then I'm gonna get some food, then I'm gonna head out to Taylor's. So I'll see you at probably halfway to the border or Blythe. Guys, well, we just made it to Arizona. Alright guys, so just made it to the Flying J, just past the border. We're now in Arizona, so I think I got like another 140 miles before I get to Taylor's. So truck's doing really good. I'm at half a tank, so I'm gonna go fill up at the Flying J, and that should be my last gas stop. And then at some point I gotta get some food because I haven't eaten anything since I got out of work, so I'm kind of hungry. I oddly want panda, but I don't think there's any fucking panda around here, so maybe we'll get some Jack or something, but let's go fill this thing up. Alright, so all filled up. I guess next stop is food somewhere, and then Taylor's. So I'll see you guys probably when I get to Taylor's, hopefully, if we don't have any complications. So yeah. Alright, so made it to Taylor's last night. Truck ran really good. I noticed that there's a little bit of a leak coming from the radiator, but I'm just not going to worry about that right now. But we're about to head over to the Tre5customs pre-show. So I know there's a bunch of people from LA coming over, so it should be a good time. But by the time we're gonna leave, it should be dark here, so I thought I'd do it right now. So I'll see you guys at Tre5customs. It got dark, and we're about to head to Tre5customs, but first, nuts behind the camera needs a coffee. Just no.
Thank you.
You happy now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I'm never happy.
I'm gonna use that, so. Alright guys, well, we just got here. We parked in the back because there's a bunch of trucks up front. There's not really any parking, but there's not really a lot of lights, so I think I'm just gonna cue the cinematic, and then I'll go inside the Tre5customs store and see what's up, and hopefully there's some good lighting in there. We're inside the Tre5customs shop, and this is like my dreams, 3100. This thing is so sick. Oh man, everything in it is perfect. Hopefully they bring it to DINOS tomorrow so I can get some better lighting, but this thing is immaculate. The interior is perfect. Oh man, the patina is great. I love how they made on the inside everything all brand new, but they left the patina. I like the new grill. And honestly, my favorite touch is this the Tre5customs logo. I'm gonna copy that whenever I get mine and make it say Grease Your Thoughts, but this thing is badass. It's fucking sick. But another part of my little favorite parts is the exhaust. If you can see it, they like use it out of a Corvette or something, but man, this thing is amazing. They got about a bunch of other stuff in the shop, but this is definitely my favorite. It's so badass. There wasn't really a lot of good lighting, so I didn't get to record that much, but hopefully the cinematic was pretty good. If that's like the pre-show for tomorrow, I'm really fucking excited. But we're gonna go try to find a place to wash the truck, because I haven't washed the truck in like a year. We made a quick little pit stop at these lights. What are they called, babe?
They're in Gilbert.
They're in Gilbert. But we're gonna wash the truck after this, but here, roll the cinematic. We just found a car wash. Luckily it's one of those self-service ones because I don't have a hood. But yeah, that's kind of it for today. I'm super excited tomorrow. Come back tomorrow, or tomorrow, I don't know, whatever the next day is for you guys, and watch the coverage for DINOS. But I'm gonna wash this truck and get ready for tomorrow, and I need to go to sleep. So hope you enjoyed the video.
Babe, you're really ruining my chance to be a cinematographer.
Cinematographer?
Yeah.